Clear that you understand the consequences of your extrajudicial confession.
Hindi naman hindi naman ito korte.
I understand, Mr. President. That's why we call it extrajudicial confession.
Time to kill zombies.
It is the statement coming from the mouth of a mayor or a president at that
Yeah,
time.
sir.
It is not a confession.
Oh,
You
looks
are
like I'm digging,
characterizing.
but I'm not
Mali pa.
digging.
Do not characterize that kasi wrong.
Mr. President,
Policy yan.
Looks
the
like
only
I'm
one that is
drowning
missing
in a
among these elements is that it should be in writing.
Hello, sir.
And my question will you be willing to translate
Sir.
into writing the
I can't
statement
read.
that you earlier said?
Hindi na nga ako marunong yung firma ko noon. Hindi na nga firma ko ngayon.
Baba, sir.
But of course, you have lawyers to help and assist you prepare this written document.
Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Babay
Well,
ko writing dito.
I'm try this one later.
It's
Goodbye.
documented.